Here's a quick guide to help you prepare for your tech call with RVFix. Step 1. Download the Visual Support app. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. For iPhone users, open the App Store. Type Visual Support in the search bar and select the app created by SiteCall. Tap Install on Android or Get on iPhone and wait for it to download. Once installed, open the app and make sure everything's ready before your tech call. Step 2. Be near your RV for the call and make sure you have a strong cell signal to avoid interruptions. Step 3. Make sure there's enough space around your RV for slides and awnings to fully open. Also, make sure your RV has access to power and water if needed for troubleshooting. You'll want to have these tools on hand: a multimeter, a measuring tape, a number 2 square tip screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and if you're addressing a roof issue, a ladder. These will make it easier to follow the technician's instructions. And if you don't have one of these tools, don't worry, we'll still help you the best we can. Step 4. If you have them, gather your recall paperwork, extended service contract, and insurance information. These may be helpful during the call. Throughout the call, we'll gather necessary pictures and measurements so parts can be ordered and ready by the time you bring in your RV, considerably speeding up the repair process. In many cases, we can even resolve issues entirely during the call, saving you the time and effort of bringing in your RV. You're all set for your tech call. We're looking forward to helping you get your RV fixed.